this video, I'm going to show you how to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form when you're given a point and the slope. So if you're following along on your Desmos demo worksheet, we are on step 1. If not, the link for this worksheet is in the description of this video. So we're going to start by entering -4, 5. And you can see the point pops up on the graph. There it is. And we know the slope is 3/2, or 3/2. So in step 2, it says go to line 2 and enter y equals mx plus b. And you'll see this option that says add slider, m, b, or all. You're going to select all. Now it automatically defaults to where the slope is 1 and b, the y-intercept is also 1. We're going to change m to be 3/2, or 3/2, or 1.5, because that's the slope that we were given. Now we want this blue line to go through this ordered pair, -4, 5. So we're going to use the slider for b, because we want to make sure that this line goes through that point. We're going to drag the slider until it goes through that point. Well, I know I need to keep going, but it's capped at 10. So if I click in this box next to that 10, I can change the range of this slider. So I'm going to say from 0 to bigger than 10, I'm going to put 20. And if I click off of it, notice that the slider has a larger range now. I can keep sliding. And I'm going to go straight through the center of that ordered pair, and the value of b is 11. This means the ordered pair, -4, 5, is on this line, and the y-intercept is 11. If I zoom out, you can see here the y-intercept, 0, 11. All right, so now we're going to write the equation of that line. You're going to say y equals the slope, which is the value right here in line 3, 3/2. Move your cursor to the right, x, and plus the value in line 4, which is 11. Now if line 4 were negative, let's say it was -11, then I would change this plus to a minus, okay? All right, and this is how you write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form using Desmos.